Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market. Today I'm going to share with you what I see on the Bitcoin chart. Maybe we are going to see another drop on Bitcoin actually, and after that Bitcoin try to make a new all-time high one more time in the next few days. Stay with me, let's check him out. Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. We are going to start with the total market cap today. Again, actually there is nothing changed on the total market cap. Few of altcoins are dropping, Bitcoin drop and rise again. And actually the total market cap is still challenging to break to the upside after this 200% we have got of the Fibonacci retracement from the all-time high we had in 2017 to the all-time low we had in 2018, about a $91.8 billion, and we have got the 200% of the Fibonacci retracement is approximately about a $1.4 trillion, trying the total market cap of the cryptocurrency including Bitcoin, trying to break this one to the upside, but it's struggling with the 200%. But as we can see on the daily time frame, the candles are really bullish for the total market cap. And one more time we have got in here the altcoins actually trying to rise one more time again. Actually they are trying to break the $550 billion to the upside we have got in here. As I told you for several times, after this rise to the upside, and we had actually a rising channel, this one was broken about the 4th of February. But now actually they are trying one more time to break the $550 billion, the altcoins, actually the total market cap of the altcoins to the upside. It's not that far away to break them to the upside because they are moving to the upside. And anytime we are reaching to $550 billion, some of the altcoins dropping, but the other altcoins actually pumping to the upside one more time. And another thing I can show you actually is the dollar index is falling one more time to the downside. I told you after the dollar index actually reached to the all-time low from 2018, and now maybe we are going to see sideways on the dollar index, and after that maybe we are going to see one more time like a pump to the upside, and too many people trying to cash out there are from the stocks or from the cryptocurrencies actually. But that might going to happen in the next few months, and after that because the dollar index actually is going down and down after every year actually, because we have got, what do we have in here? We have got the high, a lower high, and lower high again. We have got the low and lower low. I think the dollar index is going to make another lower low and dropping, but it's not gonna happen in the next few months. It might gonna happen in the next few years. Dollar is losing the value every single year, maybe around the 15% of its value every single year. We are going to the Bitcoin dominance. What do we have in here? Actually we have got, as I told you, we have got, looks like a double top, as we can see with the like a inverse cup. Actually it's with a red color. I told you it looks like we have got a double top on the Bitcoin dominance, but maybe we are going to see another pump from the Bitcoin dominance when the price of Bitcoin is rising to the upside one more time, maybe to about the $60,000 or $70,000. But what we can see in here, if Bitcoin dominance cannot hold actually this support we have got is about a 61%. If Bitcoin dropped, another support we have got is about a 57.4%, and as it was working as really good support and resistance in the past, that might gonna hold the value of the Bitcoin dominance. But if Bitcoin can hold this support we have got is here is about a 61% or 62%, after that maybe we are going to see another pump on the Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price as well. But if Bitcoin lose this support we have got in here, we are going to see another pump on altcoins actually in the next few days, or maybe till middle of March actually. Well, I'm going to show you the other thing we have got in here. It's a Bitcoin chart. Let's go and check the Bitcoin chart we have got in here. Bitcoin is still on the daily time frame, making higher high and a higher low on the bigger time frame. It's actually daily time frame. It's still moving to the upside. That's really good for Bitcoin and Bitcoin hodlers. But what we can see in here, actually on the 4-hour time frame, we have got a really good support about $42,700 on the Bitcoin price. Actually, after we had the Elon Musk Tesla pumped to the upside to about the $48,000. We had a drop actually, but before we reached the $48,000, we reached about $44,000, and we had a really a small red candle on the 4-hour time frame to the down to about the $42,700. Now after that, actually Bitcoin pumped one more time to $48,000. Now it's trying to go back to the downside to about the $42,700 area again. What we can see, if I remove these two lines I have got in here for you, actually what we can see, Bitcoin at the moment is playing inside this channel we have got. Actually, it looks like what do we have in here? It looks like we have got a bull flag at the moment for Bitcoin. As you can see, we have got the pole in here from here. Let me just use the arrow one for you. What do we have in here? We have got the pole in here, and if Bitcoin can hold this, it's similar actually. It's so obvious Bitcoin can hold this support and hold this the flag actually for the next few days, and after that maybe we are going to see another pump from Bitcoin. Actually, if we go from this area to the upside, actually is gonna take us to about $55,000 for Bitcoin. Let me just put the price label in that area as well. What do we have in here? We have got like a $54,800 area. But what do we have in here? If I show you on the another flag, actually it's not a flag, it's like a zone we have got in here. Bitcoin actually is moving in this channel as well. As you can see, maybe we are going to see another dump because we had one dump to the downside, and Bitcoin now is playing inside this channel. Maybe we are going to see another dump to the downside to about $43,000 area or $42,700 area, and after that we are going to see a rising move to the upside from Bitcoin. That is really likely for Bitcoin to happen. I think this is the first scenario I'm looking at, or maybe what we are going to see, maybe we are going to see Bitcoin to actually play in this area, and after that break to the upside and move to the upper prices to about the $55,000 area. I'm going to show you Bitcoin, another chart I have got in here. What I can see in this chart, actually Bitcoin has got, it looks like we have got a triangle. I told you yesterday about this symmetrical triangle we have got. I told you maybe it's going to break to the upside or to the downside, but it fell to the downside actually. But now what do we have in here? If you check this ascending triangle is in here, actually I can make it more bold for you. What we can see in here, Bitcoin looks like is playing inside, it was playing inside this triangle, ascending triangle, and now it's breaking to the upside. If Bitcoin wants to get bullish one more time, needs to break to this support, to this actually the resistance zone we have got about a $46,700 area to the upside. If Bitcoin wants to get bullish, actually needs to break this one to the upside, and after that we are going to see another bull run to the upside on Bitcoin. It looks like Bitcoin is out of this ascending triangle we have got in here. Maybe Bitcoin is trying to play to this area for next few days, and after that break to the upside. The other thing I'm going to show you is really important for Bitcoin. Actually, this is the purple line we have got in here. It was working as a resistance and support for us. Actually, as you can see, this purple line is in here. What did we see in the past? It was working as a really good support, and once it broke to the downside, it was working as a resistance in this area and one more time in this area, and after that broke to the upside. the thing I can show you now, actually, what do we have? If we go on the 4-hour time frame, it is working as a really good support for Bitcoin price at the moment, and it's holding the price of Bitcoin not to dropping to the downside anymore. I'm going to show you the Ethereum chart I have got in here as well in the on the daily time frame. What we can see in here on Ethereum chart, we have got in here, actually Ethereum was playing inside this rising channel, and once broke to the upside, as you can see on the chart, once Ethereum actually broke to the upside, went back to test the upper line of this rising channel, now is playing and actually trading above this rising channel we have got. As I told you yesterday as well, I'm expecting Ethereum to break to the upside to about a $2,200 or $2,300 area. As you can see on the other chart I have got in here, I told you this zone was about a $1,400 area, was really important for Ethereum to break the upside. That happened actually on 2nd of February, and now as you can see, it looks like Ethereum was playing inside this ascending triangle as well, and once it broke to the upside, as you can see, the peak to the upside in here was about $1,475, and this peak came back to the downside, was about a $1,490 to the downside. Actually went back to test this line we have got in here, and now Ethereum is pumping to the upside another time on the daily time frame. As you can see, the green candles are really more than the red candles. That means Ethereum is really bullish to the upside. I'm expecting Ethereum to reach to about $2,300 in the next few days or weeks. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much guys, and see you in the next one.